Hello and happy Thursday. We're not going to read any new articles today. Today we're going to pause a minute and reflect on the two articles that we have read this week in our mentor text. Okay, the first one, if you remember, was called The Court's Decision, okay, which was about the Dred Scott case. And the second article was called On the Picket Line, which was about the suffrage movement, or a girl that was going to a protest to fight for women's rights. All right, so go back, look over both of those articles, remind yourself. It would even be a great idea to reread. I don't know about you, but when I reread something, I always find new information or more clarity in my head or in my understanding of the article. All right, and our reflection question today is, how are the narrators of the court's decision and On the Picket Line similar in their purpose? How are they different? Remember, both of them were diary entries. Okay, so the first one was written through the voice or through the lens of Dred Scott. Okay, and then the second one was written through the lens of a teenager named Kathleen Bowen. Okay, so those two characters. Okay, and how were they similar in their purpose? And how were they different? All right. Go ahead, turn off the video, look back, reflect, and then answer this question in Schoology on a Kami document.